Hi, I'm Christine Cushing and welcome to another helping of My Favorite Foods. Today, I want you to take your culinary game to the max, to the roof, with these 4 very simple ingredients as we make the silkiest, most delicate custard you've ever tasted. Get ready for creme brulee. There will be fire. First, I want to introduce you to these beautiful eggs, because with recipes like this that are so simple, it's all about the quality of each ingredient. And this is a classic French dessert that's on pretty much every menu across the planet. So I want to show you my secrets on how to get that silkiness and that beautiful texture, which is key to a perfect creme brulee. First thing, it's all about the eggs and the cream. So let me just separate 6 egg yolks. You see the difference with those yolks? I purposely wanted to show you just a regular egg and these heirloom eggs. Look at the color of the yolk. Obviously, flavor, texture is going to be different. So if you can ever find them, it's great to give it a try. Next step. By the way, I didn't tell you, this particular recipe is not going to go in the oven. This is all going to be made stovetop, so you don't even need an oven for this. 1/3 of a cup or 80 ml of sugar whisking into the yolks. Who's excited about creme brulee? Hello. So I said 4 simple ingredients, right? Egg yolks, sugar. Ingredient number 3, cream. So we are going with a creme brulee is all about 35% or double cream. I'm going to bring it just under the boil. Now a classic creme brulee's got to have vanilla. I go for the bean. See how it looks like it's steaming? It's just at what's called the scald, has not come to a boil. Now back to the eggs. So exciting. So right away, this hot cream is going to meet the eggs and sugar. Here's difference number 1 of how I make my creme brulee. You would be inclined to start going in with a whisk, right? Put the whisk away, go in with a wooden spoon, because you don't want foam at this point. This is when you want it to be smooth and delicate. Okay, so just stirring and adding that hot but not boiling cream. What I do at this point is I just pour it in ramekins and then put it in a hot water bath and bake it. But we're not going to do that because this is so silky. This is the little secret. This is how you get that custard where you go, man, how good is this, chef? It's so delicate. That's what I want you to really nail, that texture. Now it's in a glass bowl. I want to transfer to a stainless steel. I just did it here because I wanted you to see the eggs, but the stainless steel is going to transfer the heat better on the bain-marie. And I'm going to put it on a pot of simmering water, gently simmering, and the water is not touching the stainless steel bowl. So my egg and cream and vanilla mixture is going to go in. I want to get every last drop. Those vanilla specks are worth a fortune. One of the most expensive spices. I don't know, saffron pound per pound or vanilla. I think it's saffron, but this is super expensive, so you want to use all of it. You're walking a fine line here. This is the thing about taking your culinary skills through the roof. The time will vary dramatically, so you really want to look for how the cream is looking and know that this is the stage you want to take it to. So let me just show you here. It's somewhere between a creme anglaise, so a loose cream sauce, and a pastry cream, not as thick as a pastry cream. Right now, I'm just a little bit shy. So let me show you the texture of that. That's still a little bit loose. In the kitchen, in the pastry kitchen especially, it's all about the chemistry. Feels like it's the artistry, but the chemistry is what's going to take you over the top. So I want to insert a probe thermometer, whatever kind of a probe thermometer you have. And what I'm looking for is somewhere in the just shy of 170 Fahrenheit. That's about 76 Celsius. But you want to keep things moving here, right? And that's also going to tell you how it's progressing, right? Because you might look at it and go, oh yeah, that's done. Or is it about to be done? I'm at about 155, so I know I'm pretty close. And by the way, if you're going to air, it's better to slightly air under. It will thicken in the fridge, but not too under, because then it's going to be soup. And soon, there will be flames. Okay, so I want to strain this. The other advantage of doing it this way is you get a little sneak peek before it goes in the fridge, because this is fully cooked. Shall we do it? Gotta chill it for at least an hour, but preferably 2 to 3 hours. These have been chilling for 3 hours. They're nice and firm. I want you to see that texture. Torch time. You want to make sure you have something flame-proof around. Don't ever do it on plastic, around paper. That's why I put it on this tray here. And every torch has its different rhythm, so you want to keep it moving. That's the key. Who's going to taste it for you? I am. Okay, you need the crack, so that tells you that you've done a good job, right? Okay, now this is going to reveal a beautiful, tender, I'm hypnotized. Look at that. Insane. That's why I did all that work stirring and stirring. It's absolute perfection. So absolutely perfect. It's like silky smooth, that custard, and then a little bit of the crunch. You're gonna absolutely love this. Thank you for joining me on My Favorite Foods. Get those torches ready. You're gonna make these very soon, I predict.